Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if today is your first time here, subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back. Like, drop your comments, and also share with friends. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a multi-purpose sauce. We'll begin by adding vegetable oil into a pot and allow it to heat up about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your chopped onion. Allow it to infuse for about 5 minutes. Then add your chopped tomato. I did not blend the tomato, I diced it into smaller sizes. Blend your minced pepper. Add it to the tomato and stir. Add your seasoning cube, salt to taste, and stir together, and then cover it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Next, you add your protein of choice. I added Titus fish. Cover to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then add your chopped efirin leaf. This is scent leaf. And add your curry leaf. I have fresh curry leaf and efirin leaf here. The aroma is everywhere in the kitchen. This sauce is a must try. You can use it to eat white yam, use it to eat swallow of choice. You can also use it to eat your unripe plantain swallow or cooked unripe plantain. But today we are going to use it with white rice. I also sprinkle some curry leaf on the white rice. Now everything is set. I just thought of doing something different today with my white rice and not everyday stew. And this came out very nice. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, help me grow. And to my old subscribers, don't forget to drop your comments, like, and also share. Don't also forget to share with me whenever you give it a try. Bye bye.